Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you may recall a long time ago I fitted a heater slash demister or defroster into the onto the firewall of the you can see that here in the footage, so I'll just put a link up here for that video if you want to see that one, where I explain a bit about the heater. But this is the leftover parts of it. So it comes with this really cool switch gear, so really nice feeling buttons, defrost, heat, and then the fan. They're really cool, and apparently they light up, so the little circles around there will light up. That's what we're going to find out today. A bit of wiring here, wire over to this. This is the Y shape, I suppose, the Y tube. So in there's a switch on the edge here, and in here you can see the flap. Both tubes direct the heat to the funnels in the dash that will defrost the window. There is 2 tubes on the heater, as you saw, and so one tube will just directly come into the cabin, while these 2 will go to the defrost. So yeah, what we're going to do today is wire up this. I don't know where I'm going to fit this on the dash yet, so we might not go that far. We'll just see if everything works. See if this heater works as well. Get the wiring going, get the wiring sorted. I believe it should be fairly straightforward. Famous last words. I think this is just the earth. That's obviously a fuse. Yep, fuse, and this wire I believe goes to the battery. Maybe this one goes to ignition, and the one downstairs, which I think is a bit bigger. Sorry, the one in the garage is a bit bigger, so that should go to directly to the battery. Alright, let's take all this to the garage and let's get some wiring going. That's the heater there from Speedy Air Power. This is supposed to go directly to the battery, so we'll run it to the should we run it to the battery, or to the cable, or to the terminal in the engine bay? Probably will depend on how much wire I've got at the moment on me. This one, easy, just an earth, so earth that out. This one plugs into the system that we've got, you know, all the stuff that I just showed you. So we'll do that last. All right, let's go. Alright, we've got one earth, we've got earth in. Power cable, I'm going to run it across the top here, put it through the firewall on that side. I'll have to zip tie a few of those just all together so it's a bit neater, but I can't find my zip ties right now, so that ain't happening. Okay, so the other part was this connector. So I really don't remember there being this many bloody bits and pieces and extra wiring, but just quickly, this one here is for the stock gauges. So that was set up for me, but I will be plugging in some of the gauges. The speedo is a GPS speedo, so it'll be a little bit different. Okay, where are we at with these? You can see them here. Alright, there's only one part that connects. Where's the connector? Hey, I saw it a second ago. I assume it's this, but it does look like that's it. Okay, so to make this work, try and make it work just for demonstration purpose, I might have to run a really long wire, semi-long wire, First I have to earth this out. So again, we'll run the earth up to that earth where I had it before. So wires have been run. The big red one to the power, I just went to the battery terminal that's in the engine bay. I will when I do it permanently. I'll run it underneath the car all the way to the battery. Although I could leave it at the terminal. The terminal's getting a bit crowded though, so I'm just gonna see how everything goes. But anyway, to the terminal, the other one, i.e. this one here, the power cable, this will just go to the fuse box or the ignition, but at the moment it's straight down to the power terminal as well. So let's see what the fuck is going on here, or if anything is working. Can you see that? Is it focused? Let's try fan first. Whew, works. We can hear it. See the little light appear on there too? That's awesome. Alright, off. Heat. Nothing working there. Off. Defrost. Nothing working there. Fan. Oh, here we go. Need the fan on. Ah, stupid me. And heat. Awesome. You can hear well, obviously you can hear it. What I will do, let's see, can you see in here? Let's see what happens. Heat is on. It's working. Off. Oh. Just trying to see if something moving in here. It's supposed to move, isn't it? Oh. Something fell out. Oh yeah, I can see it. It's moved inside there. You probably can't see it. Fuck, what's going on? I can feel the heat now. That sucks. It's hot. Oh yeah, it goes slowly. Did you see it move? It's closing. There you go. Lovely. Alright, it's burning up all the dust. Let's see if we can see the heater element actually working. Is it hot? I'll try and come in around there. Yeah, you don't want that. Won't want to have that wire sitting right in front of this. That's where the air gets sucked in. So yeah, I mean it's temporary now, but I've got to remember to not fuck that up when I do it. When I do set it up for real. All right, that's awesome. So now, all I got to worry about, what I got to figure out is mounting this, probably like so. Oh, doesn't fit too well. Maybe. Anyway, I'll figure how that's going to mount off the heater, off one of the tubes of the heater. And then I've got to run some tubing from bendy tubing, which they've given me, but I don't think it's enough, from these two to the two funnels that sit in the dash for the demister. That'll be fun because there's fuck all room back here. But we'll give it a shot. Anyway, that's it. Another short little episode for you guys. I'll see you on the next one.